Over the past year, our world has been turned upside down by the pandemic. During these uncertain times, we've looked to the food and beverage industry to carry on through unimaginable stress. We counted on manufacturers and distributors, growers, catchers, and processors to provide us with the nutrition we need to keep life going. The pandemic challenged us to alter our daily lives in virtually every way, and food and beverage companies persevered, creating, processing, and shipping the products we all rely on. Whether you're a produce grower, a seafood catcher, a food trader, distributor, or manufacturer, we thank you for your commitment to excellence. With forward-thinking leaders, innovative technology, and the resilience of our people, the future looks bright for our industry. Here's to a better tomorrow.